Disclaimer, this video is not going to change your life. The only one who can change it is you. So this video is not going to be like, do this, you will be successful, do that, you will be disciplined in your life. You have watched numerous of those type of videos. But did you change? No, not me too. That is why I'm making this video. This video is not just for you, but also for me to document my journey. So this video is about goal setting and how to manage your goals and how to clear them. Okay, so I'm recording this video on 31st December and I'll upload it on 1st January. So if you're seeing it on Jan or like later Feb, then it's okay. You can see it. Just if you have missed those days and you haven't started doing your you haven't made any goals or started doing them, then you can do now. This late is better than never. Okay, so start now. So let's start the video. So first take out your pen and paper and write all the goals you want to complete, like, and everything you want to change in your life. Write down all these things roughly. Like it can be like going to gym or doing yoga, reading a book, starting your business. It sounds like leave it just. Then regular studying, doing exercise, doing running, anything it can be. Just write all these things roughly. Okay, now see, let's divide these all things into three parts. Like first, like for ultra important things, we will name it U. For highly important things, we will name it H, and for important things, we will name it as I. So which are less important, we will name it as I. More important than I, we will name it as H. Then most important, we will name it as U, which means ultra important. So the thing which is ultra important, like these things, like you have to do regularly. Like every day, I have to go to gym every day. Like I will do yoga every day, and like there could be some things like which you could be doing less important. Like there not always would be time that you have enough time to do all these things. So it's okay if you missed a day, start it tomorrow. So we will rank these things like this. So the things which are ultra important, write U. The which are highly important, write H. Which are important, write I. After doing this, leave your pen and paper away. Now imagine what would you become like if you did all these things regularly for a whole year. Now open Notion. Notion is like an app where you can manage all these things. Like it is like notebook to you, and you can download it in your phone also and PC also, and you will find the tutorial on YouTube and anything. So let's start. So make a toggle list where you will write the goals you are going to achieve. Like I have achieved these goals till 31st December 2025. Now start writing all those goals which you have written with you. So here write all these things which you think is very important and you will have to complete it by the end of this year. This way you can have a literal motivation which will motivate you to have this. Now to track our goals daily, we are going to create a page like this where we will make columns for, like, if we have 8 tasks, we will make 8 columns. Like I have made here 1 2 3 4 8 columns, and here we will write the date, and for each month we will make a page like this. Like I have made this for 1/1/2025 for Jan month, so it has 31 dates, and I have made it all for this month. For every month we are going to create something like this. So it can be like a tracker for all our daily goals, like we are achieving them or not. And if we see ticks here, we will be happy. A, a big dopamine boost. Like if we talk about goals, like I have written here workout. Like I have to do workout when I'm not that good in terms of body. Then next, I'm going to wake up early because our parents say wake up early, and also I want to wake up early. That I would like to do yoga because meditation is the cure to everything. And then next I'm going to do journal. Like I have did it 9 times. Like I did for 1 week, 2 week, then I stopped, and then again 1 week, 2 week, then I stopped. So I would like to do it continuously from the next year. So I'm writing journal here. Like I will do it every day, because looking back at your old self is very good when, and you can, so that you can revise all your lessons and learnings you have taught yourself, which you will write in your journal. Next, I'm going to read a book every day. This can be anything like a novel or fiction or non-fiction, any type of book, but so that I can improve my vocabulary and English speaking skills and etc. Then next, I'm going to take cold shower, because cold showers, some people suggest you should take cold shower, some people don't suggest, but I suggest you take cold shower because we hesitate to bath with cold water. So this way you can get out of a comfort zone, and we have to get out of our comfort zone. So that's why I'm doing cold shower here. And then next, I'm going to do running, because we also have to make stamina, and it is also good for our heart health. Next, I'm going to do something productive every day. This productive, like for current scenario, I'm going to do coding. Like I'm going to learn coding because there are my holidays currently going, and then after that I will divide it, like for some time for coding and some time for my regular study, because I'm currently in college. I also have to study. So that is why I didn't write here coding or study, because it can be changed for time to time. So that is why I have written as something productive. We can win. So this way you can achieve all your goals, and I will do. If you found this video funny or annoying, just ignore it, man. I'm just starting a YouTube channel, and it's not my first time though, but I'm not completely into YouTube, so I'm learning it. And if you want to see me progress, like I will be uploading a weekly video. And if you want to see me and see how much I go far, then subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video. Thanks. Bye bye.